This is to do 1 var stats on a TI Nspire. So you already have your data in your calculator. One thing to note, if you have multiple tabs open up here, so you have a bunch of tabs, I typically am in the habit of always naming my lists A, and if I have previous spreadsheets open with a list name A, what I'm about to do might really confuse my calculator. So one thing I like to do is I like to hit Control Up and then highlight all the windows I have open. So for example, what if I decide to open a new spreadsheet? Now I have another tab open. And maybe I have a bunch of lists in all these places, so if you just hit Control Up, you can pick which one to close. And I'm going to close that blank one I just opened. And now I'm ready to go. Alright, so make sure it's named. I named mine A. You can reference the column, but I like to use the name thing. So hit Menu. We're going to do some stats. We're going to get it to calculate something. So one more time, I'm going to back out. Hit Menu, Stats, Stat Calc, and we want to do 1var stats. I have one list. I named it A, and click OK. I like to hit the tab button, so if you're using your calculator at home, I don't like that touchpad on there, so I just hit tab all the way down to OK, and there it all is. So I'm going to scroll over so y'all can see everything a little clearer. Let's go one more down. And let me write next to them. This is the mean. The next one is the sum of the x's. Next one is sum of the x squareds. This is the sample standard deviation. And this is the population standard deviation. In AP Stats, we will be using primarily the sample standard deviation, this one right here. If you're in IB, you typically use sigma x, population standard deviation. If I scroll down further, it gives me my 5-number summary right there. We will use that to make a box plot. So this is my 5-number summary, and Q1 is the 25th percentile, median is the 50th, Q3 is the 75th, and it's pretty easy from there. Although the calculator can also make a box plot, but yet it's nice to know how to do it by hand in case it's on a test. So look for that box plot video down the road. Bye.